Friends, designers, whoever you are, I hope you are doing well today. In this video, I'm going to walk through why Loom is one of the most important resources, tools, software tools that I use to run my business. And it has helped make sure client relationships are 100 times better. It has helped make sure that I don't have to go back and forth in email with clients. And it actually saves in trying to clarify my thoughts so perfectly where it's written out in an email. I'll just send a Loom video instead. So in this video, I'm going to talk about what Loom is, different ways I use it, and this could be really useful for you if you already use Loom and if you should consider using it. Let's begin. So before I found Loom, I used to record my screen with QuickTime Player and then upload that video to YouTube and make it an unlinked video and then send that video to a client. It literally took hours, but that would help make sure the client got a clear understanding of what I was delivering. So when I was delivering, I'm a website designer. So when I was delivering a website to a client, I wouldn't just send them a link. That is probably the biggest piece of advice if you are a designer or you're sending visual work. Never just send a link, especially for the first time. Send them a Loom video. A Loom video walks them through what you created, plus you could paint the vision of what you created and why you did it. If they go to your site and they don't even know how to navigate it, they're a little bit confused on why this is here, what everything is, you can clarify. You could show them, this is the header. This is why I made it this way. And if you're looking for the FAQ button, check this out. If you scroll to the bottom, that's where it is. And if you're looking for this, this is where it is. So they can have a clear sense of why the website is designed the way it is. Sometimes clients don't understand website structure or the designs you made or how to navigate through the entire project. So you can walk them through it. Now, what is Loom? Loom is basically a tool that you could either record your screen, record your camera, or both. And you could do it in an easy way that as soon as you hit save or done, it will save it, it'll upload it, and then you have a link that you could send via email. Not only that, when you paste it into an email, it actually populates a little GIF, so it shows the intro of the video, and it just does all of that automatically. And then as soon as the person clicks on it, it'll create a link and they can go watch it. What also is really cool about it is you could have a notification on, so you get an email when the client, customer, or whoever watches the video. So as soon as they hit play and they start watching the video, you'll get an email notification. This is really helpful because it lets you know where you are at on a project with a client. The best part about Loom, as of right now, there are no upload limits. So if you upload content to Loom, there are literally no limits of the amount of content you could upload. Obviously with a paid account, a free account, there are limits, but with a paid account, there are no limits. So you don't have to go back every month or every few weeks and delete old content or things like that. You can just continue to create content. The beautiful part too, let's say you work with clients and you repeat tasks. So let's say every client has the same task that you do. Well, you create a video tutorial once to show the client how to do it. You could always send that link to the client in the future. This is amazing because you don't have to reinvent the wheel. And Loom just embeds really well. So if you use Notion, it embeds to Notion really well. If you're sending an email, like I mentioned in Gmail, you literally just paste a link and it auto-generates the thumbnail. There are so many benefits to Loom on how it works. It's very easy to use. People could actually reply with Loom. I don't do that often and I don't really get into that, but Loom just helps solve a lot of confusion online. Someone's like, I clicked on this and I want to figure that out. You could just send them a video. Just show them, click here, click here, click here. You should be good to go. Now, part 2, ways that I use Loom. So I've mentioned a few of these already, but I'm going to go through the whole list. If I am working with a client and I'm doing a consultation and they send me a long email of questions, I won't necessarily write out the answer to every question because that could take hours. Better in this process is I will just put their questions on the screen, answer them one by one. I don't even have to show my face. I'll just answer them one by one. They could listen to it. Cool part about Loom too is you can listen to it at speed of 1, 1.25, 1.5, or 2. I think you could do more, but basically any of those. So somebody could listen to it very quickly, and I don't have to spend hours trying to craft the perfect email and that the sentence structure flows and all of that stuff. Number two, when I deliver work, anytime I deliver a new project, I always send a Loom video, and I always tell the client to watch the video first. The video is gonna guide them through what the content is, what the design is, what they're looking at, what to look out for. The Loom video is gonna allow me the ability to paint the vision of a brand new project and also paint the scale, the pace of what we're gonna go at, so they know where they're at, what to expect next, all of that. Third, I use Loom to do training videos and tutorials. Training videos and tutorials are so helpful for clients because you could create it once, use it a bunch. I mentioned that before. But what is also very valuable in this process is you could create a custom training for a client literally in seconds. I have Loom on my desktop, so I just click the little icon and then I start recording. Boom, it records, and as soon as it's done, I have the link. That whole process being so smooth and easy makes it so user-friendly for me that I can just go in and be like, okay, fine, I'm just gonna show the client how to solve this and walk them through it. I actually use it for one more thing. If I ever do a screen recording on any of my training videos that you watch on YouTube, I'm actually using Loom. I'm not using a different tool to record my screen. I use Loom. It works great, the quality is amazing, and at the end of it, if I want to, I could download the video. So that's what we end up doing. I download the video, I send it to the editor, and the editor is able to use that for the screen recording. Now, just so you know, there is a referral link down below. Yes, I get a kickback for it, but if you do sign up for Loom and you found this video helpful, that would be great. I think you get a discount as well, but just check the link down below and you'll see. Now, the final thing I have used Loom for, it's a lot rarer, but what I have used it for is if I have to have a difficult conversation with like a team member or a client, or something's gotten complicated and I want to de-escalate the situation, Loom works really well. It works really well because, as you can tell now, I can be way more personal, slow things down. You hear my voice, so you know what I'm speaking at. With an email, you could misread something. And I don't have to craft it perfectly. That's the one big challenge of writing paragraphs for a difficult conversation. Things could get misconstrued quickly. And so a video is a really helpful way to have a difficult conversation. You obviously want to do it over the phone or in person if you can, as a priority. But if you need to make some space, or it's a client that you just started working with and things are just getting complicated, instead of answering in a very formal written email, a Loom video where you just record, you're not recording your screen, you're just recording, maybe you need to, but you're just recording camera, or camera is definitely on. This is a really useful way to get somebody that link quickly, easily, and de-escalate issues fast. So as you can tell, I love Loom. I don't use the screenshots. It has a little like color pencil feature too. I don't really use that as well. For the most part, I use Loom in the most base feature because it just does the links and the little GIFs and emails so quickly, so fast, that makes my life easy. As soon as you finish recording a Loom video, it actually saves the link into your like last copied item. And that is a game changer, because as soon as I finish the video, I hit stop, I could go directly to the email and hit paste. Literally that fast. It's so beautiful, it's so good. And overall, it embeds everywhere. Finally, check out the referral link down below. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. If you got value from the video, hit the like button. And last but not least, if you want more content like this, consider subscribing. With that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.